અમારી કંપની 25 વર્ષ પહેલાં ચાલુ કરેલ હતી. પહેલી ટ્રક અમે GTX 4311 1969 મોડલ ખરીદેલ હતી. તે ગાડી રાજકોટથી જાદુજીભાઈ શાહ પાસેથી લીધેલ હતી ને તે ગાડી ભાવના રોડેજમાં ચોટીલા સુરેન્દ્રનગર થાન ડેલી સર્વિસમાં ચલાવતા હતા. તે ગાડી બીજાને તકલીફ આપતી હતી, પણ અમારા પાસે એવું કંઈ બન્યું નથી ને અમારા માટે ભાગ્યલક્ષ્મી છે.
અમારી એક નાની શરૂઆત હતી. મારા પિતાજી સુરેન્દ્રનગરમાં વિજય ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટમાં 1962થી કામ કરતા હતા. એ પછી 1975માં તેમનું સ્વર્ગવાસ થઈ ગયું. ત્યારે હું 20 વર્ષનો હતો. પછી તેમની જગ્યાએ હું અને પ્રવીણભાઈ વિજય ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટમાં નોકરી લાગી ગયા.
1991માં મેં અને મનીલાલે 16 વર્ષનો ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ કંપનીનો અનુભવ લઈ લીધેલ. મેં કરિયાણાની દુકાન તથા લાલજી મુજી ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટમાં કામ કરેલ. ત્યારબાદ વિજય ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ કંપનીમાં 16 વર્ષ કામ કરેલ છે. ઘણા વર્ષ મહેનત કર્યા પછી બે ભાઈઓએ નક્કી કર્યું કે આપણી ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ કંપની ચાલુ કરવી. ભાવના રોડેજનું ઉદ્ઘાટન DSP સહેજ સાહેબે કરેલું હતું અને હું અને મણીલાલ તથા મારા છોકરા હેમલ તથા વિરલ કંપનીમાં સાથે કામ કરીએ છીએ.
Bhavna Roadways, the leaders in connecting cities, making the world smaller and helping clients stand taller.
Our core purpose is to help people achieve their goals for a better tomorrow by providing reliable and time-bound solutions. Our core values are relationships for life, customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and commitment.
In the business of transportation, Bhavna Roadways is a key player in Gujarat with a stronghold in Mumbai. Their logo has been created as a symbol of trust, and this logo resonates with the people. Bhavna Roadways has established its name as a trustworthy friend in the transportation industry.
અમારી બે બહેનો છે, મોટી બેન સુશીલા, નાની બેન ભાવના. અમારી કંપનીનું નામ નાની બેન ભાવના નામ ઉપર પાડેલું છે. અમે લોકો બહુ નજીક છીએ એટલે એ જ ભાવ અમારે કંપનીના દૃષ્ટિકોણમાં બી બતાવે છે.
Completing 25 years in 2016, Bhavna Roadways has come a long way. Starting with 2 trucks and about 5 to 6 staff members, Bhavna has now expanded into a fleet of 125 trucks. As of today, they have 75 offices that employ around 1,000 people. Handling transportation of goods, primarily in pharmaceuticals and chemicals, Bhavna also works with textiles, automobile parts, machinery, cotton, and many more. Bhavna Roadways started work with several companies like BioD Laboratories Private Limited, New Age Industries, Maradia Chemicals, Techspin Industries Limited, KCI Bearings, Maxon Pharmaceuticals, and many more. Their impeccable service is the reason why they have more than 800 clients.
અમે સૌથી પહેલી ઓફિસ 1993માં ખરીદી હતી. અત્યારે અમારી 75 ઓફિસો છે, જેમાં 80% પોતાની ઓફિસો છે. ભાવના રોડવેજને પોતાની ખ્યાતિ સરસ સોચથી બનાવી છે. ચારો તરફ ભાગવાના બદલે પૂરા ગુજરાતમાં પોતાની સોચ બનાવી અને મુંબઈમાં વધારે પહોંચ બનાવી. અને અમે એવું નક્કી કર્યું કે વેપારીને સારી સેવા મળી રહે અને તેનાથી અમારા વેપારી સંતુષ્ટ છે.
Here's a look into how Bhavna Roadways conducts the processes through their organized departments. The traffic department is in charge of organizing and keeping track of all the ongoing trips with the exact truck in use. They also make sure that if all the trucks are out for delivery and they have a pending order, a third-party truck is arranged so that no client ever returns disappointed. The garage and maintenance department makes sure the trucks are in perfect condition for further trips. The accounts department takes care of taxes, billing its clients, recovery, payments and ledgers. The short excess department takes care of any misplaced goods or issues during transit that can be a loss for both client and Bhavna Roadways. The IT department makes sure that the app, the online portals and all forms are taken care of. And all of these departments work together in a synchronized way to deliver the best service. The way Bhavna Roadways works is that as soon as a booking is made, a unique number is generated. This serial number then goes into the lorry receipt, of which 4 copies are made. 2 are given to the consignor, 1 is kept with the company and 1 is with the driver. The consignor couriers 1 copy to the consignee, who then arranges it with the letterhead, signatures and stamps. Once the delivery is complete, One signed copy is kept with the company as proof of delivering the material safely. The specialty of Bhavna Roadways is that they don't demand the client to hire the entire truckload. They provide part load, parcel service, full load, container loads, OTC cargo, and special loads too, because their focus lies in the consumer's convenience. Bhavna Roadways is amongst very rare transporters who offer in-transit insurance of goods. It has rupees 300 crore open policy, which assists the client greatly in times of crisis. And this is a major benefit for Bhavna Roadways as compared to other players in the market. The differentiator, in fact, is the door-to-door delivery service. Bhavna uses their strong network connectivity to make sure the delivery is done as per the client's convenience.
हम भावना रोडवेज से 1992 से जुड़े हुए हैं। हमारा रिलेशन भावना के साथ एक फैमिली जैसा है और हमको हर दफ़ा प्रॉम्प्ट सर्विस मिलता है। व्हीकल रिक्वायरमेंट जिस हिसाब से होता है उस हिसाब से मिलता है। डिलीवरी टाइमली होता है। इन ट्रांजिट भी कोई भी हमको रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है वो भी हमको मिल जाता है। डे बाय डे इम्प्रूवमेंट है सर्विस में और हर दफ़ा हमको अच्छी सर्विस ही भावना रोडवेज से मिली है और रियली हम भावना रोडवेज का जो ओनर का प्रॉम्प्टनेस है उसको हम appreciate करते हैं.
We knew Manilal ji and Praveen ji since a long time, and now it is a pleasure to work with Viral and Hemal. Working with Bhavna Roadways is very delightful experience. The best thing about working with them is in case of any problem we can reach them directly, and we are ensured that they have their full attention to any issues that we put forward to them. We wish that from a regional transport company they grow to a transnational transport and logistics company in future.
In 1996, in a milestone achievement, Bhavna Roadways changed into a computerized management and billing system. In terms of physical management, all the trucks that they own are painted in the same shade of green, representing the brand prominently. They have a wide variety of large and small trucks, ranging from 2 tons, 10 tons, 16 tons, all the way to 22 tons, which makes transporting through the cities much easier when used in phases. Bhavna now has 95 warehouses in 7 cities. Many of the warehouses are equipped with CCTV cameras and are constantly monitored. It is one of the few companies that is bank-approved transport from the Indian Bank Association. In terms of employees at Bhavna, the ground staff are given uniforms and the drivers are trained as co-riders for a couple of years before they can take over. Since they work for positions of risk, every driver is given complete insurance, as is every truck. Bhavna has also installed a truck weighing machine in an underground ramp so that they meet all safety regulations and never overload the truck more than its capacity. Bhavna also has a unique tie-up with Indian Oil, where all the trucks can refill their fuel and the collective bill is paid once a week, therefore circumventing any manhandling and pilferage. An added benefit is the 1 rupee cashback on every litre, which is an ultimate benefit to the client.
અમે નક્કી કરીએ છીએ કે ક્લાયન્ટ અગર સાચી ડેડલાઇન લઈએ. ઘણી કંપનીઓ 1 ડે ડિલિવરીના વાયદા કરતી હોય છે જે કઠિન નથી પણ સંકટપૂર્ણ જરૂર છે, એટલે અમે એવા વાયદા નથી કરતા.
The past 25 years have been illustrious, during which Bhavna Roadways has gathered several accolades. Castrol awarded them a certificate for seamless transport operations. They have also received recognition for 2 consecutive years in the Zalawad Business Forum for Best Logistics.
મારો છોકરો હેમલ 1993માં કંપનીમાં જોડાણો ત્યારે 17 વર્ષની ઉંમર હતી ને 2008માં વિરલ જોડાણો હતો.
Hemal joined with great vision as he was young and dynamic and helped to improve the situation in the work style at the office. Viral joined after completing his BBA from London, along with international work exposure.
We have such an efficient system in place for everything. You can track all the vehicles on our website. We have a custom built ERP software that helps keep track of everything. Along with that, we also have a iOS and Android app for the clients to track the consignment in the real time. There is a centralized customer care number for accounts and inquiry of all regions. We have made sure that our clients gets an SMS as soon as their material is booked and delivered.
The next advancement that we are banking on is the GPS or RFID tags. We are also working on introducing booking of trucks and generation of LR online. We make sure that our employees too stay happy at workplace. We always help them out in whatever way we can. We also have Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana for all our employees. We meet all our area managers every fortnight to make sure everything is on track.
Our plan for the future includes expanding from 75 existing offices to 150 in the near future. We are in the process of acquiring warehouses every 2 to 3 months.
By 2025, we have a list of goals that we would like to achieve. This includes having our own servicemen and mechanics at all our hubs for vehicle breakdown. We even plan to have our own petrol pumps at various locations. Our next step is to have training centers at our crossing hub. Our aim is to become a reliable company that works hard to stay ahead in the industry as well as maintain a stellar environment. We also wish to adopt educational institute in the rural areas for our CSR. Next step is to convert into a limited company with shares in the market.
Working keenly towards making tomorrow a better experience for all their clients. Bhavna Roadways is changing the way the transportation industry works with the experience of the elders and the inventiveness of the young sons. Here's looking to another illustrious 25 years of Bhavna Roadways. May they shine brighter as tomorrow comes.